We are trying to find the equation of the circle that have endpoints on the diameter of 9, 4 and negative 7, 2. So if you think about if that was 9, 4 and this was negative 7, 2, that's the diameter. And halfway in between that, which would be called the midpoint, would be the center of the circle. And the way you find the midpoint between two order pairs is you add the x values and divide by 2. So that would be 9 plus a negative 7, 9 plus a negative 7. And then the y will be, add your y values, 4 plus 2 divided by 2. And if you do the arithmetic there, you get 9 minus 7 is 2 over 2 is a 1, and 4 plus 2 is 6, divided by 2 is a 3. So there's the center of your circle. So you found the center of your circle. You found that HK. And now you need to find the radius, the length of the radius. So find the distance between the center of your circle, which is 1, 3, and either one of these points. It doesn't matter which one. I chose 9, 4. And the way you find the distance between 2 points, you subtract the x's, so that would be 9 minus 1 squared plus subtract the y's, 4 minus 3 squared. 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 squared is 64, plus 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 squared is 1. That gives you square root 65 as your radius. And then this is the equation of the circle. So plug in your HK, which is your 1, 3 for the center. It's always going to be the 1 and 3 here is positive, so they're going to be the opposite sign. That's why you see negatives here, equals the radius squared. So x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared. When you square a radical, you're left with just the number itself, so 65.